जय श्रीमन्नारायण 593rd नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 63rd sloka. Om Subhangaya Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattar Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha Sri Rangesa Purohitaha Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Subhangaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dhyana, Dharana, Samadhi. These 8 are required aspects to do Ashtanga Yogam. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who bless these 8 aspects to us and help us do Ashtanga Yogam. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Subhangaya Namaha. Om Subhangaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindhakanda, Vali saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami, Vali sarcastically saying to Ramachandra Swami, saying that, "Oh Rama, I did not realize that you would look different outside and think different inside. Najane papasamacharam Trunaihi Kupam Iva Avrutam." As and how a well is covered by grass, that is how you have so many bad thoughts, but you are covered outside with a dharmika vesham. Look, very good man. Ho Rama, outside you are looking like such a great sage and great man, but inside there are so many sinful thoughts. Oh Rama, it is like you are like a fire covered by the ashes. That I did not realize, Rama. Vishayeva pureva te yada na apakaromi aham. I did not do any harm to your country. I did not do any harm to your palace. I did not do any harm to yourself. Nachatvam avamanecha. I never even attempted to insult you, Rama. I did not do any sort of sin, any sort of mistake. I am living in these forests, eating only the fruits and herbs. And I did not declare any fight with you. I was fighting with someone. Oh Rama, without realizing these facts, why are you thinking of killing me, Rama? Why are you killing me, Rama? Rama, you are born in such a great Vamsam dynasty, and you are learned, you are educated. Having all these great qualities, You did not even hesitate for a moment to do these kind of bad things, and without hesitating, Kruram karma samacharet kakshatriya kule jataha. You have committed such a huge sin. How did you do this, Rama? You have a title saying that great man, but inside you have so many bad thoughts. Having so many bad thoughts inside you and being called as a great man, you are going here and there and wandering in this entire world. Rama, now let me tell you this. Vayam vanachara. I am living in this forest. I am an animal. Whereas you are a human being. Not only that, you are a great man, Nareswaraha. And usually in this world, why people fight each other? Either for the power, or for the lands, or for the wealth, or for the properties. Rama, by any chance, are you interested in my kingdom? Are you interested in this forest? Are you interested in the fruits that I am eating away? Oh Rama, tell me, the kings should not be doing as and how they want to do. There should be some control. Rama, I see that you have so many desires. I see that you have so much anger problem. I see that you do not have your stable mind. I see that you have restless mind and no control over any of your sensory organs. Just because you have bow and arrow in your hands, you are trying to kill whomever you want. That is what your job. That is why you are going here and there and trying to kill people. Rama, you don't have any respect to the dharmam. Rama, you shooted an arrow on me for no reason. Now, this act that you have done will be going to be hated by all the great people. What answer you have if they ask you? Rama, Rajaha, those who kill king. Brahmaha, those who kills Brahmanas. Goghna, those who kills cow. Choraha, those who does stealing the things. Pranivadhe rataha, those who are interested in killing all the animals and all the entities and very much into killing of all the animals. Nastikaha, those who does not accept Vedas. All these people are going to end up in Narakam. Like this, Vali saying to Sri Ramachandra Swami. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 63rd sloka of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Subhangaha Santidaha Srashta Kumudaha Kuvalesayaha Gohito Gopatirgopta Vrishabhaksho Vrishapriyaha Subhangasantidasrashta Kumudah Kuvalesayah गोहितो गोपतिर्गोप्ता वृषभाक्षो वृषप्रियः। ॐ सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण। ॐ शुभांगाय नमः। ॐ शुभांगाय नमः। ॐ शुभांगाय नमः।